Hello learner, welcome to Zero to Embedded YouTube channel. Smarter Learner Smarter World. Topic: Flame Sensor Interfacing with 8051 Microcontroller. Let's get started. Agenda: Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Tools. Chapter 3, Concept. Chapter 4, Software. Chapter 5, Simulation. Chapter 6, Flash Software. Chapter 7, Hardware Results. Chapter 1, Introduction. Today topic: Flame Sensor Interfacing with 8051 Microcontroller. In this video you will learn about what are the tools required, schematic diagram nothing but how to do connections, how to write embedded C code nothing but software, how to simulate code, how to flash software on 8051 development board and hardware results. Chapter 2, Tools. 1. Kyle IDE Software. 2. Prog ISP, USB Software. 3. 8051 Development Board. 4. USB ISP Programmer, Hardware. 5. USB Port Drivers. 6. LCD and LED. 7. Flame Sensor. Chapter 3, Concept. Take 8051 Development Board, connect port 1 pins to LCD display like showing in circuit diagram, connect VCC to 5V power supply. Connect RS to port 3.0, connect RW to port 3.1, connect N to port 3.2. Connect flame sensor digital out signal to port 0.7 pin and connect VCC to 5V power supply and connect ground to 8051 ground pin 20. Connect port 0.0 to lead anode and cathode to ground pin. Like showing in circuit diagram. Pause the video and understand the connections. Chapter 4, Software. Step 1, Create project. Step 2, Create new file. Step 3, Write embedded C code. Step 4, Save with C extension. Step 5, Open target, right-click, provide frequency 11.0592 and enable create hex filebox. Step 6, Build it. Step 7, C code complied successfully and without errors. Pause the video and understand the steps. Take a note: embedded C code of flame sensor interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Pause the video whenever it's required. Chapter 5, Simulation. Step 1, click on Debug. Step 2, click on Start. Step 3, click on Run. Step 4, open peripherals port 0, port 1, port 3. Step 5, see simulation. Pause the video and understand the steps. Chapter 6, Flash Software. Step 1, open Prog ISP and select target AT89S52. Step 2, load hex file. Step 3, click on Auto button. Step 4, look at results window. Flash successful. Hardware connections. Connect Prog ISP hardware to 8051 development board. Connect another end to laptop. Chapter 7, Hardware results. Hardware connections. 8051 port 1 connected to LCD display, LCD-RS, RW. N pins are connected to port 3 of 3.0, 3.1, 3.2. Connect flame sensor digital signal to port 0 of 7 pin. VCC and ground connected to 5V. LED connected to port 0.0 pin. Like showing in circuit diagram. Pause the video and understand the connections. Hardware results are out here. Thanks for watching video. Today you learned about flame sensor interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Subscribe to 0 to Embedded YouTube channel for more embedded videos.